What's the meaning of Charlton Heston? Charlton Heston. Charlton Heston.
Charlton Heston. Charlton Heston. Charlton Heston was an American actor and political activist known for his iconic roles in Hollywood films such as Ben-Hur and Planet of the Apes. He was born on October 4, 1923, in Illinois and began his career on stage before transitioning to film. In addition to his acting work, Heston was a strong advocate for Second Amendment rights and served as the president of the National Rifle Association. He passed away on April 5, 2008, at the age of 84.